Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a comparison video for y'all between the Itsy Ritzy Boss Diaper Bag Backpack and the JuJuBe BRB. Now, a lot of people have asked me about these two bags and how they compare, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the features of the bags while they're empty, and then I will just show you how they differ in packing wise regarding what I normally take, which are all these things. Now I just have the things here that I would take for my 1 to 2 children. So let's get started on showing you the different features of these two bags. Okay, so the Itzy Ritzy Boss Diaper Bag Backpack is the one here on the left, and this is the JuJuBe BRB. This one is in the Posy Pot print. This one is in the rose colored glass print, and I do like both of these bags equally, I have to say, but at the moment I'm kind of preferring the Boss Backpack, and I will tell you why as we go along with the features. So both of these bags are strict backpack styles. They both have grab handles at the top here. The Itsy Ritzy has just a slight kind of difference in the material. This one is still padded, but is also, it comes a little bit further across the bag. Now, just real quick, the materials of both these bags, while I think about it, this is a stain resistant, washable, smoother feeling, Teflon coated material that can be thrown in the washing machine, which is a really nice feature. The Itsy Ritzy, I wouldn't say would go in the washing machine because it does have some rubber parts of it on the bottom of the bag. This material is very soft. It's very kind of pliable compared to the BRB, but I don't think it's pretty stain resistant. Like, I haven't gotten it dirty at all. It can be wiped down really easily, spot cleaned, all that kind of thing. So back to the top of the bags here, they both have D-rings on the top here, both gold hardware, just different style and shape D-rings. On the top of the bag, they do have a little compartment on each. This one on the Itsy Ritzy is designed, it's felt lined, so it's designed for your sunglasses or tech items. This one on the top here is more of a larger compartment that I usually put my wallet into. So we'll just go over the front pockets of the bag. There is a tassel on the Itsy Ritzy bag here that is a faux leather material that is removable on a little D-ring here. There is a big slip pocket in the front here that does fit quite a lot. And there are 2 pockets on the front with magnetic flap closures. I really like the magnets on this, it's really nice. They find themselves really well. So this kind of fits more of a phone, small set piece kind of size. And then this one is quite roomy, you can fit several things in there. On the BRB, you do have a flap closure here that has a little magnet that you do have to kind of find it, but it does work quite well. So there's a slip pocket that goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag. You do have a tech pocket at the top here, which I do like. I put my phone in there a lot, and that is felt lined. It's quite big. And you do have what's called their mommy pocket, which is really nicely organized. So you've got a sunglass case, a key fob, a mesh pocket here, and then a little elastic material pocket here as well. The zippers on these bags are both quite nice. The BRB has a nylon zipper, whereas the Itsy Ritzy has a metal zipper, but they both have nice gold hardware. This is from the new rose gold collection by JuJuBe, so it is kind of rosy pinky gold, which is really nice. This is more of a gold. So we'll go on to the bottle pockets. The BRB has an insulated bottle pocket on each side, which are exactly the same. The Itsy Ritzy has an insulated pocket on one side, which is really nice. I love getting bottles into this very, very easily. And you don't see the elastic that is, this whole thing is elastic, but you don't see any elastic bits on the side or anything like that. On the BRB you can, depending on the how the bag comes. I actually had to stitch one of the elastics together on this particular bag because it was stretched out. The other side here is the bottle pocket again on the BRB. On the Itsy Ritzy Boss Backpack, you have an insulated pocket on the side here, which is great for snacks and things like yogurts and squeezy fruit pouches and cheese sticks and any type of cold things, even just regular snacks that you want to have easy access to. I really like this pocket. I think it's very innovative. They both have a zip compartment back here that the change pads come in and are designed to keep the change pads. So here is the Itsy Ritzy one. This does close with a little magnetic closure, and it is quite large. It has a head and toe kind of writing on either end. This is a wipeable material, nice. It is squishy for baby. The Be Right Back has a nice change pad too, and it is memory foam as well. Now I'll just show you the size difference between the two. So those are the two side by side, you can see there. And then if you put the Be Right Back on top of the Itsy Ritzy, you can see it's a tad longer, but it's not as wide. So it just depends what you're after. Now to the back of the bag. As you can see, the Itsy Ritzy is just I think it's a tad taller. Now the Be Right Back has a memory foam back padding here and memory foam adjustable backpack straps. You can see these are a tad thicker, and they're a little bit, I feel like they're a little bit further apart than the Itsy Ritzy. And these adjusters are very easy to adjust. It does attach to the side of the bag, which is important for some for comfort level. The Itzy Ritzy Boss Backpack has padded straps as well. These are, there isn't the memory foam on the back, which is fine with me because I find this actually makes me sweat more. I don't know why, it just makes me hot. Whereas I really kind of prefer it not to have it. The adjusters here have teeth on them, so they aren't as easy to slide, which I find good because it means it won't slide out of position, but you can still tighten it up really easy. And if you want to adjust it, you just take the bag off and adjust it like that. It does attach on the side here as well. Going to the bottom of the bags. Okay, as you can see, the Be Right Back doesn't have anything on the bottom to protect it, doesn't have any feet or anything, whereas the Itsy Ritzy has this rubberized bottom, which I really like. I feel like I can take this anywhere and not have to worry about the bag getting ruined or dirty, so I do like that feature of the Itsy Ritzy. I'm pretty sure they weigh the same. I haven't actually weighed them, but they do feel like they weigh about the same weight. So let's go on to the main section of the bags now. So they both have two zipper pulls. As I said before, this is a metal zipper, and they both go all the way down on the side. So the bag does open up like this. Very similar openings. Now, the Itsy Ritzy does come with a mesh net that attaches on the sides here, so that does help with things not falling out of the bag. I think that's a really nice addition. Now, in the front here, they both have a mesh compartment. So this just is one zipper down the middle on the Be Right Back, and it's like a wardrobe pocket, whereas on the Itsy Ritzy, it's two pockets. So it's one large one at the top with a zipper, like here, and another smaller one down the bottom, so it separates it out. On the inside, you do have a elastic little flap thing here that you can put wipes or a small set piece in. This is the same pocket as the top pocket on the outside, so if you put something in the top pocket, it's going to fill this pocket up. And there's also a mesh pocket here. That's it. That's all the organization on the inside of the Be Right Back. Now on the Itsy Ritzy, you have a little bit more organization. You have a mesh pocket here that cinches together with an elastic toggle. You have two little mesh pockets up the top here that are like sized for kind of mints, or I put my hand sanitizer up there. You have two very large material pockets on the inside here. That's basically all the way up past my wrist. And then you have another pocket here with a little flap magnetic closure here as well. That's the same size as these ones. The last pocket you have is a slip pocket at the front, at the top here. That is quite large, and it closes with a zipper. And then you have the key fob up here as well. That's where you hang your keys. So I'm going to put my things in there, just the general things I take, and then I'm going to transfer them into this bag and you will see how they pack differently. We'll just start with the open part. Now, as I said, I always put my wipe pouch at the top here, that upside down, so it's easy to get into the wipes. I would put my LCD writing board in that slip pocket, the medium set piece with my sorting bears. These are the two toys my girls like to play with the most lately. I'll put my little Tokidoki mini snack bags by Itzy Ritzy right here. Phone in this pocket here. In this pocket in the front here, I put my antibacterial wipes in the mini wipe pouch. And then the mommy pocket is where most of my other things are going to go. My small set piece in here, in that mesh pocket there. Put my hand sanitizer next to that. Next to that small set piece, I would put my Tokidoki compost with my hairbrush. I have a little thing of business cards, I'd pop that in here. Tokidoki coin purse, I just loose in the front there. I'd put my keys on here, which are downstairs at the moment, so I don't have those. Drink bottles on either side. Two containers. At the top pocket here, I'll put my wallet, which is a Lily Jade full-size wallet. Then the last thing is my nappy needs, and I actually like putting my nappy needs in this pocket back here. Got 2 size 5 disposable diapers, so I just put them one on top of the other, like that. Put my light change pad in there as well, really just half folded up. And I've also got a Hello Kitty coin purse with disposable baggies and a wet bag. So this is a Baby Olay wet bag, so I just slide those in there as well. Like that, and done. So that's how I pack up the Be Right Back, transferring everything into the Boss Nappy Bag Backpack. By transferring the front pockets first. So I'm going to take out my antibacterial mini wipe pouch for now, because that goes on the inside of my bag. I'm going to take out my phone, and my phone goes into this pocket here. In the mommy pocket here, I'm going to take out my Tokidoki coin purse with my lipstick and lip brush and stuff and put that into this pocket here. Also going to put in there my business card holder next to it. One thing I do like to change over is my wipe pouch from the top little flat pocket there. I put that into the Boss Nappy Backpack in the front slip pocket. I do put one bottle on the outside, in the outside bottle pocket over here. Taking out the rest of the things here, my snacks go in this snack little pocket on the Itsy Ritzy. I do put my little snack bags in there because they fit really well. There. Okay, put them in without the tag at the top. Okay, so packing up this bag here with all the things that I took out, I put my other drink bottle in this little stitch pocket right here. Hand sanitizer into this little mesh pocket up here, and my mints usually go in there if I've got mints. Mini wipe pouch goes in this front zip pocket here. Tokidoki coin purse hairbrush and stuff goes into this pocket here. Wallet goes into one of the long pockets at the back on the right here. That medium set piece with their sorting things can go in the one next to that. The other long pocket, my LCD writing board just pops in front like that. I've also got room to put more in there as well. And my little small set piece with my mummy and med kit needs goes in the other side pocket over here that has the magnetic closure. Put that in there like that. So that's it for the main section of the bag. Now I've got the nappy things. So in here I have my nappy needs, so I'll just kind of pop those out. There are 2 spots in the Boss backpack that I could put my nappy needs. If I wasn't using the change pad that came with the bag, I would put them back here because this pocket actually goes further down than the Be Right Back. So I can put in 1, 2, probably fit even more in there. Put my little light change pad. This opens up really wide, by the way. And then I could put my wet bag in there as well. And if I wanted to put my little disposable baggy coin purse thing, I could put that in there as well. Or where I also like to put it in this bag is in this top zip pocket on the inside, and just put it next to the coin purse with my brush and hair ties. So that is how I pack the Boss Diaper bag compared to the BRB. Now, if I was going to take the BRB change pad, I would have put the nappies into this little elastic pocket, or actually in the wardrobe pocket here as well. I really do like both of these backpacks. I think it just depends on what mood I'm in as to which one I choose. At the moment, I am preferring the Itsy Ritzy Boss Backpack. Just because I kind of like the features, the different little unique features that it's got, such as the insulated snack pouch on the side and the rubberized bottom. But the JuJuBe BRB is a really nice bag as well. I think it does fit a lot in there, especially when you get used to packing it the way that works for you. So I hope that helped you guys out there get an idea between the differences of these two bags. If you have any questions or comments, please pop them below, and leave a comment also and let me know which one you prefer. Which bag do you like the best? Do you have the Be Right Back and you're looking at getting the Itsy Ritzy, or is it the other way around? Do you have the Itsy Ritzy and you're looking at the Be Right Back? So I'd love to hear from you, but that's it for me, guys, and I hope you have a great afternoon, and thanks for watching.